Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to install phpMyAdmin on Ubuntu 24.04. phpMyAdmin is a must-have tool if you're working with MySQL or MariaDB databases, giving you a user-friendly web interface to manage them easily. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have 1. A fresh Ubuntu 24.04 server. 2. LAMP stack installed, that is Apache, MySQL or MariaDB, and PHP. And finally, you should also have terminal access, or SSH if remote. If you don't have a LAMP stack set up yet, check out my previous tutorial. Link is the video description. This is the video here. Once you're ready, let's move on. I will install phpMyAdmin on my DigitalOcean VPS. I have already installed the LAMP stack on the VPS. First, let's make sure our system is up to date. Run these commands to update your package list and upgrade existing packages. To check if Apache is installed, run the check version command. To check if MySQL is installed, run this command. This command will check the version of PHP installed. If LAMP is not installed, check the video in the description. You will be able to install all these. Now, we'll install phpMyAdmin. The installation will prompt you to configure a few things. Let me walk you through it. Since we're using Apache, select Apache 2, press space to select, then enter. Choose yes when asked to configure a database with dbconfig common. Set a password for the phpMyAdmin, MySQL user, or leave blank for auto-generation. phpMyAdmin depends on PHP extensions like mbstring, which aren't always enabled by default. Make sure to enable them manually. Restart Apache to apply the changes you just made. Now it's time to access phpMyAdmin. Open your browser and go to localhost or type in your server IP address. Once the phpMyAdmin login page appears, you may be prompted for credentials. We'll configure those in the next step. By default, Ubuntu 24.04 configures the MySQL root user to authenticate using the auth-socket plugin, which does not permit password-based access via phpMyAdmin. To enable password login, you'll need to set a MySQL root password. Begin by logging in as the root user. Go back to the phpMyAdmin login page and sign in using the root username and the password you just set. And that's it. You now have phpMyAdmin running on Ubuntu 24.04. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.